I am not impressed. He said she been on his dick, but she got XO on her chest.
I don't even talk unless I'm paid now. You can't see just what I see, you're in the way now. I can see the serpentine inside your fake smile. I can't see your fucking team, you guys are way down.
Dressed up, sleepwalking, do this shit all week. I see you stressed out, keep walking, I cannot be me. Don't do depression or anxiety, that is not why I move quietly. Sometimes the right answer is violently, you just don't understand vitally.
Yeah, I got a motherfucking bag just by making some beats and then singing some crazy ass melodies. Me and XO, we be pushing the whip like the cops were chasing us, we dodging a felony. I do not sleep on my bed, bitch, just stay in this dude like my home, like this shoe is my destiny. You little fuckers just barely have started, like you fucking tactics from shadows like
Just
me.
moving too frightfully, that's why I run it delightfully. I had to focus on bands now, babe. Get it like Socrates. This is a plan, no hypotheses. Bitch, I'm the man I don't wanna be. I got the heads like a bumblebee. Feel like I'm tired with all the trees.
Up today like sheesh, I'm the best pillow talking with your bitch. I swear that I'm not getting rest. Why you pressed? Bitch, don't ask me questions, ain't no test. When you fucking with the team, you need to get yourself a vest.
Woke up today, heat in my chest. Sent to downrange, east to the west. He been all that talking shit, little bitch, but I am not impressed. He said she been on his dick, but she got XO on her chest.